Dearest heart, don't take your journey for granted. You are not a simple being, you are a divine one. Seek those whose energy feels genuine and pure. Release yourself from the hold of those trying to pull you back. Keep aligning with your vision until it manifests before your eyes, because soon enough it will. Yes, you have more to do, but stop and look at what you have produced this far. Keep going and believe in the possibilities of your plenty. You have the full support of the universe and your angels guiding you on your life path. But you also have the potential to manifest your physical desires like money, love, and good health as well. You are starting to expand. You are starting to think differently. You are moving in a new way. You cannot really explain it, but you know that this is the time. The entire universe is working in your favor. Type Amen if you believe in God.